Highlights of the new DUI law in South Carolina would be, first of all, stiffer mandatory sentences. An example of that would be on an old DUI, under the old DUI law, first offense, maximum possible punishment, up to 30 days in jail. There are situations or instances now under the new law where that can be up to 90 days in jail. On a DUI second offense, previous minimum mandatory of 5 days in jail. Now certain situations, again, up to 90 days minimum mandatory in jail. The fines are going to increase over the old law about 2 to 3 times what they were, again, under the old law, under the new law. Most of the stiffer penalties and sentences or fines are tied to higher breathalyzer readings, which, if received by the court, is evidence. And also, you're going to see an increase in the amount of mandatory suspensions for refusing to take a breath test, and those also increase pretty much across the board. Now, from the defendant's perspective, there is an absolute right to a jury trial if someone's accused of driving under the influence in South Carolina. A defendant has the absolute right to challenge the accuracy and credibility of any breath or blood test result before a jury or before a court. A defendant or suspect has the absolute right to refuse field sobriety test and any breath or blood test. And South Carolina has also maintained mandatory videotaping of field sobriety test given to a suspect and any breath test given or administered to a suspect in South Carolina in all DUI situations.